How to make operations circuit. In an operations circuit, internal users of the application and external users can intervene. Open the card of the document on which you want to make an operation, and in the menu on the right, select the option Operations Circuit. We can create a new circuit or use one previously generated and saved. To use a saved circuit, click on Usual Circuits, My Usual Circuits, and select the circuit you want to use. To create a new circuit, in the Participants tab select the type of user, internal, external, list and contact, and press Add Participant. Fill in the fields shown in the form. To add a new participant to the circuit, select the type of user, press Add Participant, and proceed in the same way. Options tab. This screen gives us the opportunity to assign certain values to the document that participates in the circuit. Shipment name. This name will allow you to identify the circuit once it is sent. Then, if we want, since it is optional, we can fill in the metadata of the document we are going to send. We can, too, embed kvet or create duplicate of the document. Send email when starting. If we check yes, it allows us to write a list of emails, which will be informed of the start of the circuit. Send email at the end. If we check yes, allows us to write a list of emails, which will be informed of the end of the circuit. Send email to all participants upon completion, allows you to communicate to all participants of the circuit that all operations required on the document have been completed. The External Users Information tab. This information will appear in the email sent to the external user. Please note that the information is common to all external users. Usual Circuits. Allows you to save the circuit made, so you can reuse it in future shipments. Once all the fields have been filled in, we press the Send button. Xolido Sign Corporate. Your software for signature, secure delivery of documents and third-party transactions.